I bring you. Come with me.
Okay. We'll follow her.
Look at this.
I think this is the most interesting part of the photo. There. No.
Right, let's put it.
There you go.
Okay, this is after 24 hours of soldering with 15 participants, a Formant system that we have not seen before, and it was challenging. I think I need some therapy sessions to get over this. It was a really good one. Keep watching.
Our friends Gertz and Jackie from Erica's Synths are visiting the museum today, and they have brought with them an incredible modular synthesizer system for us. It's Erica Synth's remake of the Elector Formant system. This is an awesome modular system from the 70s that people could build from kits and plans in Elector magazine. We're lucky enough to have one of the original Formant systems, and Gertz tells us that the video that Sam did on this was the inspiration for making the Erica Synths version. The catch is, it comes as a DIY kits. So there's 27 modules and we have to make all of them. So we thought, let's gather the troops and make this a community DIY build event.
Get soldering!
24 hours non-stop soldering. That's right, we're staying awake overnight. We're all taking bets on whether we think we can do this in 24 hours. What do you reckon? Write it down in the comments now and then see if you're right at the end of the video. Gertz and Jackie getting stuck in building the case. How are we doing, guys? What's the predictions? Let me know the predictions. What do you reckon, Chris? When are we going to get it completed by?
Yes.
Okay.
I second that.
When okay.
I don't know, I'm slow, so certainly not thanks to me.
Oh, you look like you're doing really well there. What do you reckon?
Bill, I think we'll get it by the end of the night. Working, yeah. I'm not going
to say. That is a very, very good point. Yeah, built and working are completely different things. Look who it is. It's Acid Soda Club. the kids like it when you hold it like this. It's like very, you know, it's very Zoomer cinematography, you know. But yeah, so with Jack here, and Jack, where did you get your start in like DIY electronics stuff?
Probably when I was like 12.
Okay.
And I wanted to get into like doing things. I would like look at videos, like, you know, look on the computers and that, and I see things and be like, I want one of those. Right. And then I'd go on the internet and go, that's £400. How can I get one that's not £400? And then it sort of snowballed from there. It's like, well, what else can you make? And then the next thing I know, you know, you're doing smart light bulbs and synthesizers in the living room.
The projects have spiraled out of control. I know the feeling.
Yeah.
That's really cool, man. So what synthesizer modules have you built already?
So I did the super simple VCO.
Yeah.
I did the envelope generator, the big button.
Yep.
And then I came here and I got gifted 2 more modules, which were the low frequency oscillator and the triple delay splashback.
Okay,
and then I've recently built a VCA and a filter that doesn't work.
Okay. But I'm sure it will shortly.
Hopefully,
Sure
by the end of this year.
Yeah, we'll check back in with you in a bit and see how you're getting on with this one. You're doing the VC LFO.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Oh, like this.
Yeah. This is Vela. What did we do? You arrived here yesterday, and then we thought we'd go for a little drink. Bearing in mind this is before the 24-hour non-stop no-sleep solder-thon. What time did we get in? 3:30. 3:30. That was a bit silly, wasn't it? Toby, how are we doing? You're looking great with your headlamp there. It's a really good idea, actually. This is your first ever soldering project, right? Making this module.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job you got the expert Sam right next to you, so he can help you.
Can't see either.
Here we go. What are you doing there, Pete?
You read it then.
Sorry, I just like taking the mickey out of you, Pete.
It's alright. I never liked you.
It's quite a good tactic. You never liked me.
You can either have experience and no eyesight, or no experience and good eyesight.
Well,
you can't have the two.
No, it's true.
Yeah, but I haven't got either. I think it says 120.
face out.
So what are you working on, Jay?
Finishing to place the 100k
Okay.
resistors.
All the 100k resistors.
Yeah, that would be the last
You're
one.
doing the VCLFO.
Yes.
How's it going? Finding it
Okay, obviously, as soon as I'm filmed, I start.
Of course, yeah, of course.
As soon as I'm filmed, I start doing.
Story of my life.
crap.
Yeah. No. So you're quite into synthesizer stuff,
Yes.
right? Yeah. What did you start off with?
3 years ago, I saw a random video and there was this wall of cables in the back. I was like, what is that? So I discovered module synths.
Okay.
So I just look at the prices. I was like, okay, this is out of my range. So is there a way to make it cheaper? And I discovered DIY. So
Okay, great.
Also, I've been studying audio engineering. So in the physics class, we also did a few things that were related.
Yeah.
So that just got me everything into it. I started making my modules on street boards. Yeah, it's a rabbit hole.
It's a rabbit hole for sure.
And I love it.
And you've come all the way from Germany?
Northern Germany.
Wow. Well, thanks so much for coming over and helping us make this. Really cool. We've got loads more soldering to do yet. So we have the main man himself. He's getting stuck in.
Yeah.
That's how you tell a leader, you know. You don't set your troops any tasks you're not willing to do yourself.
No, we're here for supervision, but because we made those bets on when system will.
Oh, I see. So you're trying to win the bet. I get it. Okay. I don't know if that's allowed.
It's called cheating.
And which
VCA.
You're doing the VCA.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have at least few modules in the system to have a sound patch.
We've got LFOs. We've got VCO. We've got a VCA. We've got an ADSR. What are you working on, Sam?
I have absolutely no idea.
You've no idea.
It's a Formant filter.
Oh, amazing. I'm here with Stu. What are you working on, Stu?
This is the VCO.
VCO, okay. The pressure's on, because if this one doesn't work, it's not going to sound very good, is it?
That's true, no it's not.
I'm sure you're up to the task though. Have you, you've been telling me you've been doing electronic stuff for a fair while.
I've been soldering and in the electronics industry professionally for 40 years.
Okay.
And I was soldering about 5 years before that.
Okay,
so
excellent.
I've been doing kits and radios and cassette players and all sorts of stuff. For many years.
Brilliant.
Still enjoying it. And this is nice to do something here that I don't have to do that I want to do.
Yeah, that's really nice. I suppose, the passion can become a job at some point. And,
absolutely. The pay is handy, don't get me wrong.
Oh, sure.
This is a pleasure to do.
So what made you interested in electronics in the first place?
You have to ask my parents, because one Christmas when they got me a brand new radio, by Boxing Day it was in bits.
Okay. I see. You're one of those people that likes to understand how things work.
They just wanted something for me to do that I wasn't taking anything in the house apart.
Right. So they gave you a project instead.
So, I mean, I have my dad to thank for that, really. He was an electrician.
Right, okay, great.
And I learned a lot of skills from him. So I could, by the time I was 10, I could repair washing machines.
Wow.
Vacuum cleaners, and I took his moped to bits and all that kind of stuff. So I've always loved doing this sort of stuff, and it's just great fun to do.
What are you working on, Ralph?
A little divider here.
The divider?
Yeah, we're just setting it up right now.
Sick. So what you got in there?
Got some resistors going on, a couple of diodes in there. We're moving on scene. But yeah, just working our way through it.
Very cool. And Oscar, what are you up to?
Got a mixer, just snipping some legs off, trying to not blind people.
Okay. That's very considerate.
I didn't know that was a
It is. I've had the okay as well, so
okay.
Hopefully it means everything's all right.
Gets has told you you're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. What have we got here?
Nothing.
Fantastic. Look at that. Let's have a look around the back of it.
Stuff on it.
Awesome job, Sam. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh my god.
Okay, the pressure. All the cameras. All the cameras. What have you made, Jay?
A VCLFO.
The VCLFO. And does it work?
Yes.
Yes,
that's
it
right.
does. Amazing. All right, big moment. Then we're going to start screwing it into the case. We've already got the RFM in there.
Well, it's going to get somebody's eye.
Oh, we're fizzing. Can't do it. Can't do it, but it's fizzing. Oh, what a friggin' idiot.
Oh, Sam, what have you done?
I put a capacitor on the wrong way around. I blame it on Pete, he was talking to me at the time.
What have you made, Chris?
Apparently a VCO.
Very nice.
A VCO. No idea what it is or what it does, but I've made one.
Well done.
Moment of truth.
Hey! Ooh, getting more modules made. Okay, we're doing really well. It's time for a little break to have some dinner, have some pizza. And I ran off quickly to go see our friend Pedro, who volunteers at the museum, play his synthesizers. That's your second mixer?
Second mixer, yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah,
So your first one works and it's in the rack.
It's in the rack, yeah. No. Call me Sir Mix-a-Lot, like, yeah.
And you're on your second one as well.
Yeah, we've got the old divider here, it's all tested working. We've got the old something here, waveform processor.
Sure, waveform processor. Awesome, guys. Got another one working there. He's happy. And Bill, is your one working?
Well, it's for a little bit and then it starts.
Oh no. Okay.
Sad.
We'll sort it out.
It's okay, we'll sort it out. It will be okay.
I feel like you're comfortable soldering now.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, you're getting there. And then you can build an entire massive modular system the size of a room.
Yeah.
That's the plan. You happy, Stuart? It works?
Very happy indeed.
Doing pretty well. Look at all of those modules in there. Oh, we're burning the midnight solder. Oh yeah. What time is it? Almost 3. Okay. I think we're doing quite well. And it was around this time that we all started to lose our minds. You doing okay, Viola? Yeah. We have Jackie's face. We have Jackie's face. We have Jackie's face.
Yeah, that's another thing. It's 12 o'clock somewhere.
What a very good stage. Look at this. Done very well. Especially these boys. The quality control team.
Quality control.
Look at all those ribbon cables. The last push now. Can we make it in 24 hours? I don't know. Can she do it in time? Absolute disaster. We realised that us plonkers at the museum have managed to lose the phaser PCB somehow, but hero of the moment, Jay, stepped in and made it on stripboard. Attention.
I know, right?
Okay. Last module to go in.
Yeah. So, what's that mean? So, yeah, I started building this module at midnight, and it's now 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is now working. So it's taken. The synth is complete. Synth is complete, and how long does it take? 24 hours and 2 minutes. Oh, it's too late.
It looks so cool with all the patch cables on it, doesn't it? So cool to see it next to the original. Thank you so much to all of the participants who helped to make it. And of course, Erica Synths for donating it to the museum. See you later.
A dishevelled wave.
So that's it for this museum video, but there's a whole other video about the Formant system and the original Formant system, and going much more into detail of the music you can make with them and stuff on the Look Mum No Computer channel, and there'll be a link to that in the description down below. I hope that you can join us at the museum yourself for an event like this or another workshop. Let us know ideas of what kind of things you'd like us to host here. And if you can't make it to one of those, you can come along on an ordinary open day. We're open every weekend of the year, except the August bank holiday weekend, but we are open the bank holiday Monday. So you can come and visit us in Ramsgate on Monday the 25th of August. It's a short hop on the train down from London. So if you're visiting from the United States, you're visiting from Australia, you're visiting from Switzerland, and you come into London, why not come for a little nice seaside trip down to Ramsgate and come visit the museum? As always, you can support us on Patreon, where you get extra perks, or make a one-off donation through the links in the description. And that really, really helps expand what we're doing here, make new displays, bring in new things for you to play with. Thanks to our supporters, we were able to get a load of chairs and some tables and tools and things. So now we're able to host workshops and things. Amazing. So see you later, and don't forget to check out Look Mum No Computers video for the demo.